Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Thursday, the 12th of December. I'm James Spann. More changes coming up. Clouds move in today. We could see some rain as early as this afternoon for parts of the state. And maybe some strong storms early next week. Let's talk about things. There's the upper look. The wave train continues. You can see the next short wave in the flow embedded west of the state. That brings that rain in here over the next 36 hours. It's a cold morning. We've got 26 for Haleyville. Decatur 27, Gadsden 29. We'll expect a high in the 50s over the northern half of the state today. There's the watch warning map. Winter storm watches and warnings for some of the northern states, but things are quiet down here. There could be some thunder later today and tonight over east and southeast Alabama, but no severe storms expected. Tomorrow, day 2, a marginal risk for cities like Tampa Bay, Jacksonville, Savannah. Day 3, which is Saturday, maybe some thunder for the South Atlantic coast, but look here. All of a sudden, we have a risk of severe storms defined on day 5, which is Monday and Monday night for parts of North and West Alabama over into the Mid-South, and we'll talk about this in a moment. Here's the precipitation for the next 7 days, and again, the east is fairly wet. Rain amounts for Alabama mostly between 1 and 2 inches over the next 7 days. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid at 3 o'clock this afternoon. The wave off to the west. We have a surface low, a broad trough in the Gulf, and moisture begins to move back in here. This is the high-res NAM at 3 o'clock today, suggesting a chance of rain at that point for areas south and east of Birmingham, places like Ashland, Lineville, Sylacauga, Auburn, Opelika, Troy, Dothan, Montgomery. Now, you could see some rain this afternoon. Areas north and west of Birmingham dry, but the sky becoming cloudy. Midnight tonight. The NAM still suggesting most of the rain south and east of Birmingham. 12 noon tomorrow. We'll have rain around. We'll forecast periods of rain tomorrow. Could be a pretty chilly day. We might stay in the 40s much of the day. Some spots maybe with low 50s. So obviously it's a cold, stable air mass. No worries with severe weather. And then 6 o'clock tomorrow evening, still some rain around. So it's not going to rain all day tomorrow, but periods of rain, cool. Highs in the 40s for the northern third of the state, 50s elsewhere. And this is the synoptic scale look for tomorrow. And again, that's a broad wave coming out of the Gulf. What about the weekend, you ask? Well, this is Saturday, and you can see the system lifting out. And we'll probably start the day with morning clouds, the sky becoming partly sunny by afternoon, the high in the low 60s if the sun breaks out. Sunday looking dry with a good supply of sunshine, the high again in the low 60s. But Monday, look at that system west of the state. We got a 1,005 millibar low that's southeast of St. Louis. Snow and ice north of the low for cities like Chicago. And south and east of that, we're in the warm sector. And look at this. All of a sudden, and this is the European, by the way, showing a pretty unstable air mass in here Monday. We could rise up into the low 70s, and if we can achieve that and get dew points up in the 60s, that'll be a fairly ripe air mass for strong storms. In fact, this is the lightning flash density product from the European Monday at 3 o'clock, showing potential maybe for some supercell type thunderstorms across the state. So this is Monday. We're looking at this event. And of course, we're talking to you Thursday. So it's a little early to be specific on this, but it looks like Monday could be a day with strong to severe storms across the state with potential for some hail, damaging winds, and even a low-end tornado threat. So remember, this is the tornado season. And we'll watch parameters carefully as we get closer to Monday. And then Tuesday, the feature is on by. We start to turn cold. We stay in the 40s all day with a biting north wind. Wednesday morning, we drop into the 20s. The high should be around 50. The sky's sunny. And a week from today, Thursday, the 19th, ridging to the west, a northwest flow aloft and a dry, cool air mass. Let's go out 10 days. Saturday, December 21st, troughing just east of the state. That looks like a surface low forming off the coast of South Carolina with a nasty ice look there for North Carolina. And that's suggesting we'll probably see some rain with that feature here. Maybe Friday night, or Saturday morning as that weekend begins. Of course, we'll fine-tune that later. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean about 2 inches for the next 15 days. And you can see that warmth on Monday with a high at 66. Now, the high Tuesday of next week, that's going to be at like just 1 minute after midnight. We stay in the 40s all day, and by Wednesday morning, we drop in the 20s. And the early data for Christmas suggesting pretty seasonal temperatures there with highs in the 50s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.